Right behind me is a new development property here in Poway. It is called the Cottages, and this is Plan 2C. So I'm very excited to show it to you. Let's get in with the video. So this is the second property that I'm touring from this area, and this is 2C. It's just over 3,200 square feet, 5 bed, 4 bath. And I have toured that property and the properties before. So if you are interested, feel free to stick around to my YouTube channel. I talk and do all kinds of property tours here in San Diego. So we just put the code for this property and we are going to walk in. On the left side, well, before I show you the left side, you do have a security system in all the new built homes, especially here in Poway. As you walk into your left side, you have a beautiful bedroom with amazing windows that you get sunlight throughout the whole day. Look how bright this is. And then you also have a bathroom and shower connected to your unit, which is your first bedroom. And if you really wanted to, you could block this off and create an ADU and rent it out potentially to somebody else. But we're gonna walk into the washer and dryer area, which is amazing, beautifully. As we walk out, you do have a 2-car garage right here. And I believe it also comes with solar. As we continue with our tour, we have an area where you can store all of your clothes and shoes when you walk into the property. You have a bathroom and shower right next to the entrance. And this currently room is staged as an office, but you can make it a bedroom. Since it is counted as a bedroom, it has windows and it has a closet. So it's a pretty big room as well. Now, as we walk in to the kitchen area, this layout is very white, very clean and bright. So this is, I actually really like this. The sink is right here, the dishwasher is connected to it, and you do have great schools all throughout. You have the pantry here, your microwave and the oven, and also your fridge. It's very open. You could be making the food over here or cleaning some dishes, and you have view of all of your kids and family members right here in your living area. The living area is very spacious and big. It's very pretty. They did choose the white color accent. And as we walk outside, you do have plenty of space for the dogs and the kids to hang around and play. They are still building the other homes in this area. This community is not being finished yet, but they will be in the next year. Properties are selling out, so if you are interested, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to show you any of the model homes or the properties for sale in the area. As we walk into, I think this is so this is the master. You have an area here where you can have some storage. Walking into your master, they did an amazing job staging this property, especially the master. So as you can see, very bright. You have an area where you can come out from your master if it opens up. I don't think it's gonna open up. Oh yeah, it does. So you have an area where you can come out from your master, have your coffee in the morning. And now we're gonna go to the bathroom and shower. I like the light color cabinets and vanity. Dual sinks, his and hers. You have the shower right there, and you also have more space right here. Walking out from the master, guys, if you are interested, these homes are gonna sell out very quickly. We toured everything over there. If you are interested in moving in, whether it's San Diego overall or to new builds homes like this one, feel free to reach out to me. You have another area here for the office and also an area for the couch. But before we go see the bedrooms, I'm gonna show you the other living area on the second floor, which could be a theater, could be area for the kids to play. And as we walk to the other bedrooms, I believe you have 2 more bedrooms over here. So this is gonna be the first bedroom. Wow, it's pretty spacious. It's a little dark right now because the windows are closed, but walking out, you have more storage. And then you have the second bedroom, which is more light. Looks amazing. You still have some houses that are being built, as I mentioned, and I think this is gonna be like an area for the kids to play. And then you do have the shared bathroom. And what I like about this bathroom is it has 2 sinks. So sometimes you share a bathroom and there's only 1 sink, and the kids are gonna go crazy over it because they're gonna fight all the time. This is perfect. You have 2 sinks, pretty large area for the shower. And as we walk out, I'm gonna show you the house just a little bit more. Very open, gets sunlight throughout the floors. I don't know exactly what material this is, but I can always find out for you. Okay, so this is the last one. If you are interested in this plan specifically or any other plans, or if you are looking to buy or sell here in San Diego, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to be a resource for you and be your agent. I'm gonna leave all the information about this property and my information as well in the description of this video. Feel free to reach out to me and have an amazing day. До свидания.